We all know what AppleCare Plus is and how it works. If you don't, here's a quick summary. If you have AppleCare Plus and you accidentally damage your Apple device, you're going to be paying a heck of a lot less to get it repaired than you would if you didn't have any kind of warranty. If you've already ordered your new Apple device, that's okay. You still have until 60 days after your purchase date to decide whether or not you want AppleCare Plus, and this video should really help you make that final decision. With the brand new iPhone XS and Apple Watch Series 4 devices already open for pre-order, Apple has introduced some pretty major changes to how AppleCare Plus works, and one of them has convinced me to buy AppleCare Plus for my wife's new Apple Watch Series 4. Why? Because if the screen gets cracked or anything else gets accidentally damaged, it'll cost $299 to repair it. That's 75% of the value of the watch itself. With AppleCare Plus, you're covered for up to 2 incidents of accidental damage, and you'll only have to pay $69 instead of $299. Now you might think there's no way I'll damage my Apple Watch, but these photos show that it definitely does happen. Now let's say you have a stainless steel Series 4 with LTE. The price of repair is still only $69 with AppleCare Plus, making it even more worth it, because the out-of-warranty price rises to a massive $399 to repair it. Now if you've got the Hermes edition, AppleCare Plus is $20 more expensive, but that makes sense because it starts at $13.99. Apple does provide a 1-year limited warranty, but that only covers manufacturer defects. If you damage your watch, you're out of luck. Now here's the kicker that made me pull the trigger on AppleCare Plus. For the first time ever, Apple has introduced a monthly payment plan AppleCare Plus option. Now, instead of paying $79 right out of the gate, you can pay $3.99 a month over 24 months. Now I know you guys have heard this saying 1,000 times, but that's the price of a cup of coffee. Yes, that adds up to be almost $17 more expensive in the long run, but it definitely makes it easier to justify buying AppleCare Plus. Monthly payment options aren't only available on the Series 4, they're available for the Series 3 and every single iPhone currently listed on Apple's website, including the new iPhone XS, XS Max, and even the upcoming XR. Now with the new iPhone XS, for example, instead of paying $199 outright, you can pay $10 a month for 24 months, definitely making it easier to get covered. Apple has also added a new theft and loss coverage plan for the first time ever, which I'll talk about in just a moment. Now you might ask, why should I get AppleCare Plus and pay that much more for my new iPhone? Let's take a look at how much it'll cost if you don't have AppleCare Plus or any other kind of service provider warranty and you accidentally crack the screen on your iPhone XS Max. Yep, it's $329 to replace the screen, and it's only $29 if you have AppleCare Plus, and you're covered for 2 incidents. Now I know what you're thinking, I can just get an aftermarket display for $30 and it'll be good as new. Take it from anyone who's ever used an aftermarket display. The quality sucks and it's incredibly easy to crack again. Now here's where the real value lies with AppleCare Plus for new iPhones with glass backs. Damage to the back glass is counted as other damage, and if you crack the glass back on your iPhone XS Max, it'll cost you $599 for repair if you don't have AppleCare Plus. That's over half the price of the device. Now if you do have AppleCare Plus, it's only $99. The worst part is that it's almost impossible to repair this on your own without damaging your phone. Just take it from me, someone who accidentally cracked the back glass on their iPhone 8 Plus without having AppleCare Plus coverage. T-Mobile's Jump On Demand plan requires your phone to be in good condition to trade in, and I obviously wasn't going to pay $400 to get the back fixed and then trade in the phone for nothing. So I ended up paying the remaining $475 balance to buy out the phone, and I was barely able to sell it used on Craigslist for $400. So in the end, I lost $75, and that's not including all of the monthly payments I made. What a nightmare. This time, I went with Apple's iPhone Upgrade program, which includes AppleCare Plus coverage for both my wife and I. Now here's where AppleCare Plus with theft and loss comes in. In the past, if you were on the iPhone Upgrade program and your phone got lost or stolen, you'd have to continue paying for a phone that you don't even have anymore, even though you paid for AppleCare Plus coverage. Now, with AppleCare Plus with theft and loss coverage, you can pay an extra $4.16 a month for the extra peace of mind. If your brand new XS Max gets stolen now, a brand new replacement will only cost $269 instead of $1,099, and for only $4.16 a month. I think that's definitely worth it. Just remember that Find My iPhone must be enabled at the time it's lost or stolen, so make sure it's always on. Now, if you're not in the iPhone upgrade program, you can also have the newly introduced option of paying monthly, but it's $5 a month extra over the regular AppleCare Plus coverage. So all in all, Apple's new monthly payments option makes it a lot easier to get AppleCare Plus coverage on any new iPhone or Apple Watch. And with the insanely high repair prices for back glass repairs on new iPhones, AppleCare Plus coverage is more worth it than it's ever been before. On top of that, $4 or $5 more for theft and loss protection? That's a no-brainer for anyone who has a history of losing their phones. So definitely buy AppleCare Plus with theft and loss coverage unless you're confident you won't lose your phone or have it stolen. And remember guys, you still have until 60 days after you made your purchase to get AppleCare Plus coverage. So what do you think about Apple's new AppleCare Plus changes? Did you end up buying it? Let us know in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our hands-on videos on Apple's new iPhones and Apple Watch Series 4.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media and we'll see you in the next video.